All right, the time has come finally for me. I know some of you guys who already have the phone. You've gotten your update probably. A lot of people have hit me up. I have so many phones that are updating, and this is one that I was really excited about to finally get Oreo on, because the Moto Z2 Force is a phone that is a force to be reckoned with, if you will. This is probably one of my best purchases in the last 12 months. $300 for this phone right here, when it was back on Cyber Monday or deal or something like that last year. And it has Oreo now. So I haven't actually done the update, but there's the update right there. It just came in. And I'm going to go ahead and do the system update and see if I can find out if it performs better or whatever. But my Moto Z2 Force just got Oreo. Let's do this. Alright guys, the phone just kind of rebooted real quick. The file was just under 1 gig, and the phone didn't take long to reboot actually. I was kind of surprised how quickly the phone rebooted, and then it just said finishing the update, and that's pretty much it. So everything looks the same. It's probably going to perform great. Let's go into the settings here. Oh, you can see it's a little different in here now. You can tell that you're on Oreo because you have all the different things here. Now you can get your battery percentage. And that was one thing that I really did not like about some of the Motorola phones. There is no battery percentage, built into the phone. So here we finally got it. We've got the update here. Let's get a screenshot for Twitter and social media. It's letting you know that, okay, you've updated, there you are, you're on the latest software. So this is how you know you're in Oreo, because this is what Oreo looks like on devices for the battery section. It's updated here, and this is pretty much it. So all the new update here, and the menu is all here. This is Oreo. So this is the settings. So it's kind of pieced together in little groups. And this is what Oreo is. So let's go down to About Phone, and we know we're on Oreo. There's the latest one, and here's 8.0.0, but it has the security patch of December. Now, I don't know why that's so, but it's time to, get it rolling. We're heading into March, and the security patches are always behind. That's just what it is. So, but nonetheless, the fact that this phone has it, and you can see System Tuner is now in the phone for some reason. That wasn't there before. I don't know why that was there. It's there now, but it's definitely there now. So in here you can do seconds. I like to do seconds up there. I think was it there before? I don't know. I don't remember. I might have added it prior. I don't remember, but I definitely don't recall it being there. But there it is, Android Oreo. I'll give you an update later on the performance of the phone, and let you know how it's doing. And it already this icons, everything, this look right here is already the way it was. This is the way it was, because it had the rounded icon look. So there it is, man. I'm happy that Oreo is on here now. You see, you got the dark theme and light theme. I'm happy that Oreo is on here now, and that is what we're dealing with. So let's switch that back to show you exactly. So you can see now it's dark down there, and then it's like a transparent in here. So that's what that does. So it's your man Jay Will. Oreo on the Motorola Z2 Force for T-Mobile. AT&T version is already rolling out. The Verizon version is already rolling out. So what do you guys think, man? I'll give you an update because I do use this phone. But currently I'm rocking with my Galaxy Note 8 because I got tired of the iPhone 8 Plus. And I'm also using the HTC U Ultra right now. I got one of my SIM cards in here. I've been using that regularly. So I will see you guys in the next video. What do you think about Oreo coming to some phones? Like it's not even on this phone right here yet, and I'm so disappointed with that. Not that it's going to make some huge difference and I'm going to see something spectacular jump in performance, because the Note 8 actually performs very well. And so if it never gets Oreo in 2018, or comes at the end of 2018, I really wouldn't care. As long as it keeps performing well, I'm totally happy with it. So the Oreo for the Moto Z2 Force on T-Mobile is official. Check yours. It popped up on its own. I didn't go search it about in system update. It just kind of popped up once I powered my phone on. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you think. Take care.